wanted to see the Beatle reunion, this is it.
The music was phenomenal. You didn't have to close your eyes to think it was them. It really was them.
We'll take it, oh baby, now. Twist and shout. She wants a day tripper. One-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out, and I found out.
Amazing. Every little nuance, every little sound. Trust me, amazing.
Well, I was twisting and shouting. I was singing all those songs. Everything was coming back. Loving every minute of it.
It was great. We were singing along the entire time. It was awesome. Absolutely awesome.
I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends.
I've been smiling. I can't stop smiling. I feel like a teenager again. It's phenomenal. It's great, great, great show.
The encore was sick. That was the best part. And they played all of my favorite Beatles songs.
I wish it rained for another 2 hours.
Got to be good looking 'cause it's so hard to see. Come together. Right now. Over me. Jojo left his home in Tucson, Arizona for some California crimes. Get back to where you once belonged.
I loved every minute of it, and I couldn't stop moving.
They were really great, and I knew almost every song that they played, and it was so much fun.
It rocks. It rocks.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad.